Happy morning, children. Now we are going to see mobile phones on their roller coaster ride. Different generation of mobile phones in last 2 decades. Decades means 10 years a decade. Okay, last 2 decades, the 20 years, past 20 years. First 2G phone, it was lighter in weight. 1G phone was the first one. See here, 1G phone. It is heavy, 2 kg, small screen, slow communication speed. Next 2G phone, lighter in weight, bigger in color screen, better communication speed, facility of SMS, MMS. 3G phone, slimmer and lighter, touchscreen facility, facility of internet and faster communication speed. And now the 4G phone, variety of applications, touchscreen, fastest internet speed, works as personal computers. Like a computer it is working. All the features are there. Mobile phones have become so common these days it feels difficult to find a person who does not know how to use one. The speed with which mobile phones have grown in the last 30 years is amazing. At first, having a mobile phone was a luxury. Luxury means only rich people will have it. The first mobile phones were beyond the reach of the common person. The first mobile phone was launched in 1983. It costed nearly $4,000. That means nearly 2 lakh rupees, more than 2 lakh rupees. It weighed 1 kilogram, the battery lasted an hour and it could store 30 numbers. So 30 numbers only you can store in that. And the battery lasted for only 1 hour. These were the first generation mobile phones. They were popularly known as 1G mobile phones. However, it was not the first mobile phone. Swedish police used the first mobile phone in 1946. The device was similar to a two-way radio. It was able to make 6 phone calls. The second generation or 2G phones came in 1990s. These phones were smaller and faster due to advances in technology. Advances means improvements, higher improvement. Yeah. The users now had short messaging service. They could send short text and messages. They could even send videos. They had better call quality. Use of mobile phones grew quickly at this time. Then internet services made mobile phones more useful. In few years, the next generation arrived. It is a generation of phones we see around us. They are so advanced, we call them smartphones. Okay, the new generation that is called smartphones. Thanks to faster internet speeds, we now use 4G phones. Information is so fast, we can locate people in seconds. Further, people do not need to use cash to buy and sell things. All this is so easy to do using applications popularly known as apps in smartphones. The journey of mobile phones has been an exciting one. The future phones will bring even more surprises. So in future, next generation will come which will be bringing us more surprises. Let's see the meanings. Vocabulary words. Luxury, being in a lot of comfort. Comfort means you are having so much facilities. Device, a thing made for a purpose. Some particular purpose, something is made. Generation, one level in the improvement of technology. Application, a computer program. Advances, high improvements. Smartphones, a mobile phone that can function as well as computer. Surprise, an unexpected event. Cause, effect. An incident, action that makes something happen. The reason why something happens. Effect, the outcome, result of a cause. Antonym. Antonym means opposite. A word or phrase that means opposite of another word is called an antonym. Minesh is happy. Dhanashri is sad. Happy and sad are antonyms. They have opposite meanings. There are words given here: tall, short, long, short. So these are all antonyms, opposite words. How mobile phones have changed the world. That is a article. Okay, an article has a main heading, then a subheading. We call it as headline. And then we have the byline. Byline is the author written by Sumit Mehta. That is the byline. Then we have some words which are given in bold. So, when you go through this, you can find out which is the headline, which is the byline, and what are the things given in the article. Based on that, you should be able to write your own article. So let us see this magazine article. How mobile phones have changed the world, written by Sumit Mehta. Sandy opened the old box excitedly. His father had given Sandy his grandfather's box with his collection of goods. From 50 years ago, he found a strange looking thing with a number of boxes and a dumb shell-shaped object hanging from a curly wire. He asked his father, "Papa, what is this?" "That's a telephone," his father replied. "You mean you could talk through this?" Sandy questioned. "Yes," his father laughed. "Strange, isn't it? This is the conversation that takes place in any of our homes." See, this STD booth is there. Phone is the old phone. PCO, these are all old phones. Before mobile phone, we used to have this in our homes. Phone used before mobile phone came to India. This is conversation that takes place in any of our homes. It is almost impossible to imagine that just 20 years back, almost all phones were stuck to a wall, and we had to walk to that wall to be able to talk to people in different places. I remember when we got a telephone in our house, everyone in the neighborhood gave our telephone number to their friends and relatives. Someone would call and ask us to fetch our neighbors. We would go running to inform our neighbors that someone had called for them. The neighbors would come rushing to their house, wait for the caller to call back, and then talk. Calling was very expensive. People would wait for 9:30 p.m. because the cost of calling was lower. Night 9:30, the call charges were lower. So the people used to wait for that time as compared to day. Since most people didn't have phones, there were special shops called STD PCO, subscriber trunk dialing. STD PCO is public call office, where one could go and place a call. You could only talk to one person at a time. If you were out of your home, you could not talk because the phone was attached. Sometimes you lock your home and go, you cannot talk. How times have changed. Now you can call anyone from any place because your mobile phone is always with you by freeing the phone from the clutches of a wire. It can be taken anywhere, no need for a wire now. It can be taken anywhere. What more? The phone is used only to talk. But for several other, those days phone was used only for talking. Now it is for several other purposes, you know. Not only talk use it, but you can chat through SMS, short messaging service, or chat applications such as WhatsApp or Messenger. Some people use the phones to play games. Surf internet. surf the internet or check email with conference call facility. Many people can talk in a group, something that was impossible with wired phone. When you shout and talk in a mobile phone, then all will be looking at the landline, then all will be looking at you. What were the first words? See the picture. What were the first words spoken by Alexander Graham Bell? Alexander Graham Bell was the inventor of telephone. He made the first call on 10th March 1876 to his assistant Thomas Watson. Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you. So, everything was impossible with this wired phone. All these things, facilities are there, but there are downsides too. When they were wired phones, we were less connected, so we spent more time with people around. So most of the time we were around people, and we used to be with people, talk to people, speak to people around us, and paid more attention to things around us. When waiting for a bus or train, we would strike a conversation with our co-passengers. We would think before we spoke or messaged, because it took effort to place a call or write a letter. So it serves as your calendar, your alarm clock, your calculator, or a camera. You not only talk using it, but also chat through SMS or chat applications such as WhatsApp or Messenger. Mobile phones have become our constant companions. We stay engrossed in them and don't pay attention to people and things around us. So mobile phone, we are always looking into the phone but not looking at people around us instantly, and don't take the time to think and respond. Sometimes we are also unsafe when we talk or message on the phone while driving. It's very risky. But then every technology we have today only as good as a person using it. So according to the usage, while mobile phones have made life easy, it is upon to us to use them responsibly. We can use them to connect with people far away, but let's not use it to disconnect from people around us. That means what? You should look around and see who is around us and always be in touch. Stay connected with people around us. When you're seeing the mobile phone, you're lost in the phone. But we are not in touch with people in our own family members. Yes. Conversation. What is conversation? A talk between two or more people. Impossible, not able to exist. Fetch, go for and then bring something back. Neighbor, a person living next door or nearby. Expensive, costing a lot of money. Clutches, to have control over someone. Responsibility is a sensible or trustworthy manner. Disconnect, break the connection. Thank you, children.